have any IT problem, go my IT studio. Hello everyone, I'm Pamela, the owner of my IT studio. Nowadays, smartphone gets very popular and everyone uses a smartphone, but there's no manual book for smartphone. So how to use your smartphone? Do you get confused? And this video can help you to use that. This video to introduce the iPhone. The first thing, how to open your iPhone. We have two types of the iPhone. For the old one, have the home button, and for new one, do not have the home button. But the same, to open that, just to push this power button for 5 seconds, and then you will see this white icon occur. And just wait about 10 seconds, your phone will be open. Here you are, your phone is opened. And when how you light your screen? Sometimes you just to double click your screen. And for other tab is to click your power button and your screen will be light. And some people have the pin number for that. Just to light it up and you can see the pin number. Just to input your pin number and your phone is unlocked. If you have any problem, please contact us.